Congratulations! You have successfully sold an OmniPoint wireless multi-point access control system and are now ready to prepare the customer's TrueCloud Connect administrative account for onboarding. For a successful installation of OmniPoint, the customer's TrueCloud Connect account must be set up and configured prior to going to the job site. So please follow these important steps. Step 1. The installing dealer should fill out the OmniPoint service contact form. It is accessible via a QR code on every OmniPoint gateway box, or via the CellGate website under Technical Support. Step 2. The customer account owner, whoever is paying the monthly service bill, should call our Gold Key service team to set up their TrueCloud Connect account. Before calling, they should gather this information: the OmniPoint gateway device number, number of EPMs to be installed, the EPM checklist created during job scoping with all of the entry point names and locations, and the device number of any other CellGate hardware to be installed. The Gold Key service team member will create the customer's TrueCloud Connect account, enter the gathered information provided, set up the account billing, and enable a map view of the property location within TrueCloud Connect. As EPMs are activated, their locations can be added to the map. Step 3. After the account setup call, the TrueCloud Connect account owner will then receive a monthly service agreement via email to sign prior to account activation. Once the signed monthly agreement has been returned to CellGate, a welcome email is sent to the account owner to request an implementation call. To ensure a successful install, this call must be scheduled prior to the OmniPoint site installation. Step 5. The installing dealer should now download the CG Installer Control app from the App Store or Google Play. This app will be used to assign, activate, and test all OmniPoint hardware. Call CellGate's Gold Key service team to secure a login and password for the app and to receive instructions on how to use it. Please log in with the credentials you received to ensure you have access. Keep in mind that the CG Installer Control app is currently used for OmniPoint activations only. You have now completed the account onboarding steps and are ready for OmniPoint installation day.